టాలీ ప్రైమ్ లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ 6.2 అఫీషియల్ వెబ్సైట్ నుంచి ఈజియెస్ట్ మెథడ్లో హౌ టు డౌన్లోడ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ ఆన్ యువర్ విండోస్ 10 ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. Anyone your favorite browser open Google search box lo Tally Prime download enter key press official link first section lo display tallysolutions.com download now Tally Prime server and developer first link click Tally official redirectory web page complete display download Tally Prime related two options display. First one Tally Prime release date 6.2 latest version. Second one Tally Prime edit log. First one bottom side download yellow color button, right side down arrow click. First one new user first option click. Download section lo setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 45.2 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Right side folder first icon click. Left side downloads folder lo Tally Prime setup file display. Select mouse double click. Tally Solutions Private Limited window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize, browser close. Tally Prime setup manager window lo install application. First one option application software name Tally Prime release latest version 6.2 application path installation application path default local disk C program files folder newly created folder Tally Prime. Third button install click. Installing Tally Prime setup manager lo installation successful. Installation application logo display on desktop Tally Prime shortcut. Start Tally Prime button click. Tally Prime application running. Wait and hear. Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features this application. First button yellow access click. Application setup window lo second button accept click. Welcome to the Tally Prime. Select one of the following options. 4 options display. First one try it for free educational. First button click. List of companies window display. Create any one company name. Yellow color button right side create company button click. Company creations window lo first one option company date path company file location local disk C users and public folder newly created Tally Prime folder subfolder data company name enter Charitech info. Second one mailing name keyboard lo tab key press change the name enter the company address. Created company left side display top section lo company menu click. First option create click.